Hello, how you doing? Gonna do this fish today. We've got a fillet of fish. I'm using sea bass. You could use something different if you want. A few spices, really hot oven. Bang it in, delicious stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So the fish that I'm using today is sea bass. I've got 2 sea bass fillets here. We're only gonna use one for this recipe. Each one is about 500 grams, which is just over 1 pound. Now you could be using a different fish if you want, maybe salmon or cod. It's entirely up to you. Okay, so you can see here I've got a metal tray. You can use metal, glass or ceramic as long as it can go into the oven. And I've sliced some lemon, put it on the bottom. 1, that helps the fish from sticking, and 2, it will add flavor. So very simply, we're gonna take one of our fillets here and we're gonna drop that just on there. And the first thing we're gonna do is add salt and pepper. Now you can add whatever spices you like now. I'm going to be going with cumin, sweet paprika, and some dried thyme. But yeah, play around with it, get it exactly how you would like. And then I've got some whole cloves of garlic here that I'm going to just drop in, 9 or 10. Olive oil, got about 50, 60 milliliters of that, and the same of lemon juice. Now we need to put this into a really hot oven, so get your oven at maximum heat, preheated, get it really hot. And then pop that in the middle shelf for this size, 12 minutes. So that is straight out of an extremely hot oven. Beautiful. Okay, job done. So simple, so delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.